Hey guys, let's see how to fix the issue with the Whirlpool dryer that I have here. This one is with the front load. So basically I'm having this problem. Let me just show here with the video. You see, this is a belt problem, so I need to replace the belt. And I also have a kit to repair here. So basically I have everything. Here's the belt, and then I have a roller, and also here a pulley with everything that's necessary to repair the dryer, okay? So what I'm gonna do here is just show you step by step how you can use this kit. So basically you're gonna open the top here of the dryer, and then the front as well. You just need to remove the front part here on the top and here, and then you're gonna have something like this. Here is the drum, and I'm holding it with a belt, and I'm going to replace the belt here, and then replace the roller, one here, another one here, that's inside of the dryer, and here replace this pulley as well, and then here on the front part of the dryer there's also this roller and this one. So I'm going basically to open everything, replace it, and you see how it works. So let's do it. Alright, so here's the repair kit that I got on Amazon. You see here they comes with the installation instructions with everything that you need. There's this pulley wheel, the washers, the 3 rings, and the belt, right? So super simple here. See the belt with the part number. I'll leave everything here in the description, all right? It's a kit that comes with everything. It comes here, that way. So 4 of them. I have one here out of the package, and it's a simple roller. It comes here with the 3 ring and the washer. And this other one here, that's the pulley wheel. It also comes here with the washer and the 3 ring. Okay, so I'm gonna install them right now. So now it's time to open the dryer to replace the belt. Basically I need to remove the front part here. So here on the top and here on the bottom. I need to remove here 2 screws from here, and then 2 screws just from here to remove the top part, right? And also need to remove this. There's a clip that holds this part in place. And then the idea is just keep the back part in place, all right? You need to remove just the front part and the top of the dryer. There are 2 clips here as well that it's holding this in place, and 4 screws on the back. So you need to remove the 4 screws, then you move this a little bit forward and lift it up, right? Let me just show here on the back. I have this with wheels, so I can just show you better that way. You see here on the back 4 screws, okay? So I need to remove 4 of them. I don't need to remove the rest of them. So let me just start removing them. I'm gonna grab my tool, and here I will just remove this one. Second one here. Third one. And the last one just right here. Okay, now I just need to lift this up a little bit, move forward here, there we go, and then you see that I can release it, right? And there's a cable here, so I cannot just remove this right away. I just need to leave here. Let me just show you here that I can do this position. You can see better when I rotate like this. And you see, when I lift this up, there's a cable just right here. See, that's the cable. So I cannot remove this top part. I'm gonna leave here. You can't just put that away. Okay. And then you can remove the drum that's just right here, from the front part. Or you can leave like this as well. And you can just put that way. If you have a wall, you can support that way, okay? Now see here that I have this drum that I need to remove, and here's the belt that I will replace. Okay, so here on the top there are 2 screws that I need to remove, plus 2 other screws just right here, right? So let me just start removing this one. So for this dryer I need a tool like this to remove the screws on the top. You see here. Let me just show you more details. In this case, I have this one, this T28. There we go. I'm gonna remove it, just right here. So one screw here, and the other one just right here. And I also need to detach the cable here. Okay, cable detached. Now I need to remove the bottom part. So I can use a tool like this or a screwdriver. Just insert here to remove it. There we go. Just remove this part, like so. Now I need to remove the 2 screws from here. Now just open the door and remove the filter here as well. Close it back, and then I'm gonna remove the springs. The springs are connected here, one here on the top and the other one here. Just need to remove them and remove from the bottom as well. So just lift it up, you remove here and remove from the bottom. So super simple. The other one as well. That spring that makes the door open and close better, right? And now you're gonna remove the screws from here and remove this part. There we go. Let me just start with this one. Second one here. Then this one on the bottom. And the latest one just right here. There we go. And then you just need to detach this cable here. And now you can just remove this part. There we go. And you can see here the rollers that are about to replace. And here's the drum that you're going to remove. But first you just need to detach the belt from the pulley down there. So to remove the belt from the pulley wheel, just need to insert one hand here and the other one here, and then you can reach it and remove it. The easiest way that I found is just sit like this, and then you can put one arm here and the other one just right here so you can reach the pulley. You see now that I can reach the pulley with my hands, both of them, and I just need to remove it from here. But first I just need to move the pulley to release the tension here, right? So I just do this, release the tension, there we go. Then I can just remove from here. And there we go. There we go. Now I can just remove the drum from here. I just use the belt to support it and the other hand to guide it, just like so. There we go. Now I can clean everything up and replace the rollers and also this pulley. And later I can just connect the belt again here and I'm good to go. I just need to come here to this 3 ring and use a screwdriver and remove it. There we go. And I can just remove the roller from here. There we go. And then the second one, I just need to do the same. And I can just do the same with the pulley and remove it from here. Then you can clean everything here before installing the new one. And make sure that it's not jogging too much. You can just adjust here a little bit. Just remove the old 3 ring and then clean everything up. Now I just need to replace the belt. So I just remove the old one from here. There we go. And then I get the new one and just put it here. So I just make sure that I have here on the mark. There we go. Then I use the belt to support the drum and just put it back here in place. Now I'm gonna close it with the front part. I just need to make sure that the rollers are going to lift the drum up. So I just put that way. And there we go. You see now the roller, it's just right here. And here's correct placed. And here in the front as well. And it's working pretty fine, so I can just test first. You see that's working pretty fine. Just make sure that everything is in place. Just double check that. And then you're good to go. You can just put the screws here. And the other one's just right here to keep the front part in place. Let's just put this back into place. Then I just connect the cable back. And I also connect back the cable here on the top. Now it's time to insert the left arm here, the right arm here, and you can just pull the belt in place. And remember, the best way to do it is just sit like this. And then you can insert in one arm here and other one just right here. Alright, let's just put the belt back into place. Just do this movement here with the pulley. So super simple, just push that way as much as you can. Let's just put the spring back into place. Just open it up to test, see if it's working fine. Just put the filter back into place. Close the bottom part. And close the top. And let's just pull the screws back in place. And it's done. So the dryer is ready to go back to its location. There we go, guys. Now my Whirlpool dryer is working and you know how to repair yours. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, and I see you in the next video.